stone, smiling outside but breaking alone, carrying battles nobody sees, fighting storms on silent knees. The world keeps saying just be strong, but holding it in for too long is wrong. We all need space to breathe and feel. Wounds in the heart are just as real. It's okay to say you're not okay. It's okay to ask for help today.
We can be stronger inside, not by hiding what we feel, but by letting truth and love collide and choosing to heal.
Talk it out, don't push it down. Lift your head when hope is found. There's no shame in tears that fall. Mental health matters to us all. Pressure rising, bills to pay, family needs pulling every way. Trying to lead, trying to stand, while the world slips through your hands. Comparison stealing peace at night, scrolling through someone else's life. But your story's worth much more. You don't have to fight this war alone. Reach for a friend, reach for the light. Even the darkest sky brings morning bright. Sun will shine after rain. There's no shame in tears that fall. Mental health matters to us all.
Breathe in hope, breathe out fear. You are valued, you are here. Rest your mind, renew your soul. Healing makes a person whole.
Check on your brother, check on your friend. Listen first before you defend. Love can break the silent wall. Together we rise, together we stand tall. We are stronger inside when we stand and when we kneel, when we open up and decide to be real. No more silence, no more disguise. Strength is truth behind our eyes. Let compassion be our call. Mental health matters to us all.
We can breathe sorrow inside.
We will be strong.
By hiding what we feel. By letting truth and love collide and choosing to heal.
Talk it out, don't push it down. Lift your head when hope is found. There's no shame in tears that fall. Mental health matters to us all.